Hey guys, thank you so much for all your love. So today the video is something really different. It's all about gifts for your boyfriend or your husband. So these are the gifts I have collected over the last few years and I find them really pretty and cool and hope you love them. And you can prepare them with the bare minimum things that you have at your home. So let's check out the video. So the first one on the list is a greeting card for a birthday. The second on a list is a handbook full of memories. So you can get this book anywhere in a stationery shop. You can get a book the way you love it. So I found this very good because of the thread which is attached to it. So you can just pick up this book and write whatever you love about him or her and whatever you want to tell, everything in the form of pictures. So the best thing about this book is that there are two lines which I have written and others are full of pictures. So every page contains a picture and something related to it is written on the top, and use colorful pens which makes it even more obvious. The third one on the list is a jar full of reasons why you love him or her, or whatever you love about him or her. So you can just decorate the jar the way you need it, as I have decorated it with a ribbon and a papers. So you can just fill this jar with colorful papers and slips and write why you actually love the other person, whatever it may be, and make it more colorful. And that's what I have done. So the fourth one on the list is again a jar, but how is it different is, here I have filled it with colorful ice cream sticks and I have designed them very beautifully, so you can make it the way you want. What I have done is I have written on every stick Happy Valentine's Day on one side, and on the other side I have just written the names of the places we used to meet, or our favorite places. You can write your own and you can just make it the more beautiful you want it to look. That's it. And I've put one slip into it also. I've cut a few beautiful shapes of chart papers and I've written his name on it even. So you just need to decorate the more beautiful you wanted it to look. So the fifth one on the list is a pop-up box. I guess people get impressed when you give this. So the moment you open it, it just pops up and you can put your own pictures the way you wanted. And on the second layer, I have written a few messages that I want to write. And in between, I have written Happy New Year with the help of chart papers cut into pieces and beads. The seventh one on the list is again a greeting, but this is my favorite, and this you can give to a guy actually, because this is a greeting in the form of a tuxedo and it is very beautiful and sexy, I feel. So the last one is an album, and you can find this album in Archie's. I don't think so anywhere else you can get it. So what I have done is, on the right side I have stick photos, and on the left side I have written something related to it. So if you want, you can write on the left side, or you can stick the photos on both the sides. And trust me, this album looks very beautiful, very pretty, and it's very easy to decorate it also. You don't need much time. So find it out in Archie's. So guys, hope you liked the video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for the coming videos.